Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May 25th, 2024. The garden is, we're putting more stuff in it. We started putting stuff in it on, I believe it was the 23rd of May. We're behind getting our stuff in, but we're trying to get it in as quick here as we can. They are calling for some thunderstorms, so we're trying to get our stuff in. Yeah. So our peppers have been put in. The hot peppers are along the back. And we have some sweet peppers here. And then we have more sweet peppers here. We grow sweet bell peppers. We also grow sweet banana peppers. And then we grow different hot peppers. Our cold season vegetables are in. And there's another critter fence up around so that try and keep stuff out of it. So this here is our purple of Sicily cauliflower here, and I never grew that before, so it's the first year that we're growing this. And we're also trying a different variety of broccoli this year. Our corn was put in. We have 3 rows of that. We grow the hybrid Providence triple sweet. That's the favorite corn variety, so we always grow that. The grapes are growing back there. We put some potatoes down in the hollow garden today. I decided to try our Rosa Bianca eggplant outside. I forgot about the flea beetles and they've already started attacking this. So we're going to be dealing with those. I'd forgotten that's one of the reasons why I had grown it in the greenhouse. But the tomatoes are in. And the fence is up for them. So we put some of our sweet dumpling, and I believe it's pronounced delecta, squash seeds. We planted some of those back in through there. And then we have zucchini, squash, and squash planted. We planted our green beans. We have our wax beans. One of the varieties is here. And then we have some more beans planted in these rows here. So we're waiting for them to germinate. They were just planted yesterday. And our tomatoes growing in the milk jugs. They're coming out of the greenhouses. And they're getting put up out here in the garden. So this is one of the other tomato plants. We have a total of 4 of them. And we did the early treat hybrid. We did the early girl, a better boy, and a chef's choice. And these were put in here on 4/17. They were transplanted into these milk jugs here. And then this right here, we fill this with water. And then the water seeps out and it's what waters our soil. So here's some more of the peonies here. So you can see here the tomatoes are getting darker green up top since they've been transplanted out into the garden. And as the stuff continues to grow, I'm going to be coming back with more video updates. We do have a little bit of space left. Not sure what we're going to put in else. We're trying not to crowd it this year, and we're also trying to leave space to walk. Last year the peppers got so big it was hard to even walk through them because of how big they got, and they were loaded with peppers. So we made pickled peppers out of them and we jarred them. They were really good. We like them on our subs and all different kinds of stuff. Yeah, we like peppers on our sausage, and like our onions and this is an onion that actually came back from last year. It got missed, and it came back. It is growing. And these are some of the onion seedlings here. These are some of the Walla Wallas. And then back there are some of the onions that we had bought. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!